guys, welcome back to Crochet Craft. This is episode 18 of our stitch series, and today we are learning the classic double crochet mesh stitch. It's light, airy, and works up super fast, perfect for summer tops, market bags, and even beach cover ups. If you are an absolute beginner, this stitch is going to feel like magic. Let's jump in. These are the materials that you're going to need. You will need any yarn, a matching crochet hook. I'm using a 4mm hook, a scissors, a yarn needle to weave in your ends when you are done. You can use cotton yarn for breathable summer project or acrylic yarn for blankets and scarves. Start by making a slip knot, and we are going to chain a multiple of 2 plus 2. So I'm going to chain 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 21 and 22. Now we are going to yarn over, and we are going to do a double crochet into the 6th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This counts as our first double crochet and chain 1 space. Then we are going to chain 1, and we are going to skip 1, and into the following chain we are going to make a double crochet. Next we are going to chain 1, skip 1, and into the following chain we are going to do a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, and do a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, and do a double crochet. So we are going to repeat all the way to the end. Now we are going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going to turn our work, and this is going to be our row 2. So we are going to yarn over, and we are going to do a double crochet on top of the double crochet from the previous row. Chain 1, and we do another double crochet on top of the other double crochet. Chain 1, chain 1, and into the last chain we are going to do our last double crochet into the second chain of these chains we did. That's it. From here you can repeat to row 2 for as many rows as you like. This stitch is incredibly fast to make, and because of its open design, this stitch is incredibly fast to make, and because of its open design, it uses less yarn than most solid stitches. Perfect if you're on a budget or you want a light fabric. Always insert your hook on the top of each double crochet, not the chain space. And always don't forget to double crochet at the very top of each row to keep your edge straight. And also don't forget to double crochet at the very end of each row to keep your edges straight. You can use this mesh stitch for light baby blankets, beach cover ups, market tote bag, and airy wraps. This stitch is also great for layering over colorful fabrics because of its open design. And when you are happy with your size, you can finish with a row of double crochet across the top. This actually neatens the edge and makes it easier to join with other pieces. That is if you are making clothing or large projects. That's it, a mesh stitch. Don't forget to like, subscribe so you don't miss any of our episodes. Thanks for watching. Check out the full Crochet Stitch Series playlist right here and crochet along with me so we explore every stitch one by one. See you in the next episode.